Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide chats in Viber to keep your private conversations secure. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and scroll through your conversation list to find the specific chat you want to hide. This could be any conversation you'd like to keep private or simply want out of your main chat list for better organization. Once you've located the conversation, press and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options for managing that particular chat. You'll see various choices appear on your screen, giving you control over how you interact with this conversation. From the menu that appears, tap on Hide Chat. This is the key option that allows you to secure your conversation behind a PIN code, making it invisible from your main chat list and accessible only when you know the correct PIN. You'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN code. If this is your first time using the hidden chat feature, you'll need to create a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure, as this will be your key to accessing all your hidden conversations. Enter your chosen 4-digit code and confirm it to complete the setup process. And just like that, your Viber chat is now hidden. It will no longer appear in your main conversation list, giving you peace of mind that your private messages are secure from anyone who might casually glance at your phone. Now, let's cover how to access and unhide these conversations when you need them. At the top of your Viber screen, tap on the search icon. This magnifying glass symbol is typically located in the upper section of your interface and serves as the gateway to finding your hidden chats. In the search bar that appears, instead of typing a contact name, input the 4-digit PIN you created earlier. This is the special method Viber uses to reveal your hidden conversations. As soon as you enter the correct PIN, all your hidden chats will appear on the screen, allowing you to access them freely. If you want to make a chat visible again in your main list, press and hold on the hidden chat you want to restore. When the menu appears, tap on Unhide Chat. This option will move the conversation back to your regular chat list, where it will be visible alongside all your other conversations. You'll be asked to input your 4-digit PIN one more time to confirm this action. This extra security step ensures that no one can accidentally unhide your conversations without knowing your PIN code. Enter your PIN and the chat will be restored to your main conversation list. And that's it. You now know how to hide conversations for privacy and unhide them whenever you need access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.